Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, December 15, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, December 15, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong December 15, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, December 15, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for December 15, 2025, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, December 15, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.